Hi everyone, this is Kim from Affordably Crafty, and tomorrow, August 10th, 2020 at 9 a.m. is the beginning of the virtual August tent sale for the Spinrite Factory outlet in Listowel, Canada. No tent sale this year due to everything going on, so it is going to be all virtual. So I'm going to go through some of the specifics and show you what's available at this tent sale. There are some amazing deals. Unlike some previous years, you can only send your order in through email. They are leaving the phones open to call people about their orders to get credit card information. They won't accept any orders before 8 a.m. EDT on Monday, the 10th of August, 2020. And the sale will continue until August 29th, 2020 while stock is available. Everything in the sale is buy 3 get 1 free, which was the same as last time, excluding the needles and hooks. All orders must be emailed to info@yarnfactoryoutlet.com. Have your name, mailing address, and phone number, or they will not pick it. Oh, hi, if you're new here, my name is Kim, and this is Affordably Crafty, where I teach you how to stretch your craft dollar and be affordably crafty. So I ordered from the Spinrite Yarn Factory outlet sale in the spring, and I have a 90-pound yarn haul that I will link down below. So you can see what kind of beauties I got. All right, let's go through what they have. Oh, please like, subscribe, and share so your friends don't miss out on these deals as well. All these are buy 3 get 1 free. Bernat Beyond. $8 per bag. You get 3 skeins in each bag. 85% acrylic, 15% nylon. Number 6 super bulky, 80 yards. And these are in the colors red, navy, stormy sky, purple, grayscale, rainbow kid, emerald, white, and slate. Bernat Alize Blanketies, $10 per bag. There's 2 balls per bag. It's a number 7 jumbo, 100% polyester, 18 yards. The colors are cream, white, pink, mint, blue, sea blue, what does it mean, cloudy blue? Not sure. Purple, bee blue, white blue, harvest, burgundy, pink, and mauve. I've never heard of this before. Bernat Baby Blanket Tiny, $4 per bag, 3 of them in a bag. Number 4 medium worsted, 100% polyester, 316 yards, and the color clear sky. So only 1 color on this one. Bernat Baby Sport, $5 per ball, 100% acrylic, number 3 Sport DK. 1,256 yards, and it is only available in the color coral. A whole slew of colors in Bernat Baby Velvet, $6 per ball. It's a number 4 medium worsted, 492 yards. In the colors Happy Hydrangea, Wandering Blue, Ever After Pink, Seafoam, Lilac Blue, Misty Gray, Orchid Hush, Joyful Gold, Coral, Tropical Aqua, Lilac Blooms, Morning Pink, Misty Jungle, and Cuddly Cloud. Bernat Crushed Velvet at $6 per ball. Number 5 bulky, 315 yards, 100% polyester. And these are in the colors soft gray, white, deep gray, taupe, bright magenta, burgundy, tropical green, blue brilliance, and potent purple. Bernat Handicrafted Deluxe, $8 per bag, 3 per bag. Number 4 medium worsted, 236 yards, 100% cotton, in the color Sea Spray. So only 1 color in the Bernat Handicrafter Deluxe. Bernat Handicrafter, $5 per bag, 6 per bag. 100% cotton, 68 yards, number 4 medium worsted. They only have the colorway Mushroom. Bernat Handicrafter Cotton, $8 per ball. 100% cotton, 573 yards. A number 4 medium worsted. So those are pretty big, 573 yards. In the colors Lime Sky, Wisteria, and Pepper. So 3 colors in that one. Bernat Home Bundle, $6 per ball. 53% acrylic, 47% polyester, a number 6 super bulky, 207 yards. So they have it in burgundy cream and blue cream. Next is Bernat Premium Sparkle, $9 per bag, 3 per bag, so they're $3 per skein. And it's 142 grams. There's no yardage. Hold on one second, let me go downstairs. So this Bernat Premium in lilac I ordered last time, and it is 258 yards with the sparkles. So the yardage is not on the website. So again, we have lilac, pink, blue, and yellow. Bernat Premium, $9 per bag. You get, again, 3 per bag, so it's $3 per skein. 360 yards, 100% acrylic, number 4 worsted. And there is magenta, iced aqua, English rose, ether blue, coral pink, pink burst, lollipop red, clear ocean, and thistle blue. Bernat Softy Chunky, $7 per bag, 100% acrylic, number 5 bulky. The solid is 155 yards, and the variegated is 123 yards. And the colors creamsicle, patty cake, Jill, night, grape, indigo, jack, and surf. Bernat Softy Chunky Stripes, $12 per bag. You get 2 per bag, so it's $6 per cake. 100% acrylic, 316 yards, and number 6 super bulky. In the color blackboard, blue plum, misty purple, and tree blossom. Next is Bernat Softy Chunky at $6 per ball. It's 100% acrylic, a number 6 super bulky at 431 yards, and the colors misty grape and velvet teal. There's Bernat Super Value Stripes at $9 per bag with 3 balls per bag, meaning it's $3 per skein. 100% acrylic, 252 yards, and a number 4 worsted in the colors Candy Floss, Cactus Field, and Shoreline. So we have Bernat Velvet at $6 per ball. 100% polyester, number 5 bulky, and 315 yards. In the color Frosted Pine, Twilight, Purple Haze, Blackbird, Terracotta, Smoky Violet, Rich Blue, Velvet Teal, White, Vapor Gray, Burgundy, Navy, and Quiet Pink. L&T Paillette, 3 per bag, 3 in a bag. So these are $1 per ball. $1 per ball. 80% acrylic, 10% polyester, 5% metallic, and 5% paillette at 216 yards in the colors silver. Now it also looks like there is, FYI, sequins in there. Again, I'm a sucker for some sparkle. Silver, gold, red, that's going to be great for some holiday projects, all 3 of those. And periwinkle. And there's assorted needles and hooks. This is the only thing that is not buy 3 get 1 free. So it's $2 each, no buy 3 get 1 free on the hooks and needles. And these are the sizes. So there's needles, circular needles, double pointed, and there's crochet hooks. No pictures, so I'm not really sure about these. It's going to be kind of a gamble. Next we have Batons Canadian. 11 per bag. There's 6 in a bag. So it's 100% acrylic, a number 4 medium worsted, 205 yards in the color Deep Orchid. Batons Classic Wool Bulky, $20 per bag, but there is 6 in there. And it's 100% wool. All my yarn dyeing friends out there, hello. Aaron, you can dye this. 78 yards, number 5 bulky. I'm sure this is going to be one of the first one that sells out. So if you want this dyeable wool, I would suggest you get on this Toot Sweet tomorrow morning. DK Gray Heather, black, and DK Gray Rag. Now you can also dye this one. It just would be only between the black stripes, so keep that in mind if you're a yarn dyer. So that would be a steal at $2.50 a ball. Then we have Batons Cobble, $20 per bag, 6 in a bag, 49% wool, 49% acrylic, 2% nylon, number 6 super bulky, and 37 yards in a ball. in the colors pink, white, plum, char gray, moon rock, blue, and teal. And then we have Pitons Decor, $20 per bag, 6 balls per bag. 75% acrylic, 25% wool, 208 yards, a number 4 worsted in the colors Rich Oceanside, Plum, Pale Rose, and Rustic. Then we have the Peaches and Cream code, $3 per cone, and Off Shade. 4% medium worsted, 100% cotton, 706 yards. So this is Sea Breeze. It's not, from what I got last time, it's not like a messy model or anything that happened. It just isn't the right color. It is the same color throughout. So whatever they wanted this color to be, it just doesn't match. It's not like funky and lumpy or whatever with the dye, just so you guys know, if it's the same as I got last time. So that's a really good deal for the Peaches and Cream cone, and it's a full-size cone of Peaches and Cream. Then we have a small Peaches and Cream, $4 per bag for 3, 100% cotton, number 4 medium worsted at 95 yards. And this is black with orange. Now this would be great for anybody involved in the Halloween make-alongs that are coming up. Definitely can use that for some Halloween type projects. Then we have the tent sale monster ball, $12 per ball at 1,020. Hold on a second. Let me go downstairs and check my monster ball from last time. I'll be right back. Okay, so these monster balls are one of the biggest attractions as far as I'm concerned about the tent sale. I don't know if this is a typo. You're going to have to email them. I will try emailing them, and if I hear back from them, I will let you know. But here it says it's 1,024 yards, 1,851 meters. So I got tent sale monster balls last time. I got 4 of them. No joke, they are humongous. This is the monster ball. And then just to compare, I also grabbed the one that there's no yards on. That's a Bernat Premium. Just for a size comparison, yes, it really is that big. So when I look at this and it says 1,024 yards, 1,851 meters, it doesn't match what's on my ball here. So this one is 2,024 yards, 1,851 meters. So did they just mess up and put 1,000 by accident, or did they mess up the meterage? So I don't know. Hopefully they messed up this, because it's the same price as before, $12. And this is very similar colors to last time. I know that it came in grass because I have it, and it also came in eucalyptus because I have that one. Then it also comes in another like aqua green color Sprite, lilac, cool blue, and mint. And there is only those 6 colors available. So again, I'm going to find out about this yardage. If I hear back, I'll let you know. If not, you should be emailing them, because that is half the yards of last time if this is correct, and not worth $12 per ball as far as I'm concerned. It is 197 yards, 100% acrylic, number 4 medium worsted in the colors sable and chocolate. And again, these are all buy 3 get 1 free. Then there is the tent sale worsted. Okay, so I think that these back here, given the yardage, are the ones that are 10 per bag. I think. Not 100% certain, but I'm like 90% certain. These are the ones that I believe come 3 per bag. I believe. These are 426 yards, 100% acrylic, number 4 medium worsted, true green, celestial, and taupe. Now, so that is it for the tent sale from Spinrite Factory Outlet for this go around in August. Again, it's only online. You need to email them, info@yarnfactoryoutlet.com, to put in your order. Remember to get your free whatever you're ordering. You can mix and match colorways, but it has to be the same kind of yarn. And the only thing that's not buy 3 get 1 free is the hooks and needles. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this deal alert. Remember, this starts August 10th. Their time, 9 a.m. They are in Listowel, Canada. And yeah, jump on this as soon as you can. Now, it may take a while for them to get back to you, but it is worth it. They will call you. Do not miss the call when they call you. In my phone, I don't have them saved, but it came up as Spinrite on my phone when they called. So just keep your eye out for that. And yeah, like, subscribe, and share if you want to share these deals with others and you want to learn how to stretch your craft dollar and be affordably crafty. Have an awesome day. Bye.